Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Tesla on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. So Tesla, last couple weeks, you know how this one is, just all of a sudden it gets a bid and just keeps going. We had a little bit of a pullback on this trend line, came right back in, held to 200 MA, and pop goes the weasel right back up. I'm thinking Tesla has some good resistance up in this area, double top, right in here. It should start running out of steam. If it does not, then you're going for the upper trend line, which is right around 260 area. You're going to have pretty good overhead resistance in here as well. If this does overshoot like it does every time, then probably 270, maybe double top if it continues going. Still needs to get above here. Still needs to confirm on the weekly chart as well to see if this is moving up. And it could be moving up into earnings, or maybe he's got some news coming out. I don't really know. But if they do, they could run it up into the 270 area. And if it does crack the lower high marks, and I'll show you that on the weekly, then this one could possibly go higher. So you got to watch. This is the big pivot here. If it crosses through there and goes higher, it could possibly rip higher. If it does not confirm above this, or doesn't get close to this, or continues making lower highs, then we have a good chance of going lower. So if you're long, just tighten up those stops if it starts getting in here, and if it starts getting up in this area. If you're short, just hang on for the ride, and you know, don't load the house on this. Take the right size position, because this one can be a beast. You know, if you're in the money on any trade on this, just remember, just take some profits off the table and let some run. Take half off or something like this, and then take it from there. And of course, my opinion, guys. So, but weekly chart, same thing. There's the lower highs I was talking about. That's the all-time. Made a lower high here, lower high there. Does it go up? You know, that's what it looks like it's been doing the last couple times. So I would not rule out coming up into this area at all. But again, resistance up here. This will be, you know, if it could get through here, then we're probably going up into the 250 area. And if you're bearish, you need to get below this trend line, or back below it, and back below this blue line at 221.90. That's the 250 retrace. If it could get back there, then you need to get back below the MAs, and then possibly lower prices to come. But right now, nothing wrong. We'll see where the weekly close on Friday. And then on the monthly again, nothing wrong. You're kind of in a pennant. You got the lows here, you got the highs here. You know, now it's going for the highs again. Here's all your resistance, which I showed you on the daily and the weekly, and nothing wrong. We're back above the 50 MA. We'll see where we close on the month. Or the 20 MA. Will we close above that at the end of the month, or are we going to close below that? So that will tell us a lot right there. Right now, they're trying to get it above it and above this red bar right here. So if they can, which is the 140 area, if they can, then I think we'll make a run for this area up here. But again, earnings coming up, kind of a wild card. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, that's Tesla on the daily, weekly, monthly. If you like these videos, subscribe to me on Stock or YouTube, StockBookie, and you can follow me on Stock Twits for my intraday stuff, and then you can follow me on Stock or Twitter for more of my swing trades. Again, thanks for watching the video, guys. God bless. See you on the charts.